Hey guys, this is Anna from the Clever Fox creative team. Today I wanted to share one of our newest products, which is our perfect gifting option for the Valentine's Day. So I wanted to present to you the Clever Fox Couples Journal, our guided journal for any new couples who want to bring a bit more fun into their dating life, or any couples that have been together for a while and maybe they want to have some new experiences together and find a fun way to spend more quality time. So this one is guided and it covers 100 dates that you can plan using it, but it's only a small part of what you will find inside. The journal comes in the A5 size, and it's nice and light enough to carry in your bag if you want to plan things on the go and take with you to record your memories. When you open the journal, inside you'll find our standard user guide with step-by-step instructions on how to use each page. And then also here you'll find 3 sheets of stickers. So the stickers are here so you can decorate the pages. They have some quotes, some fun illustrations and things like that. And let's see what you'll find inside the journal itself. So it begins with a title page where you can add your names and contact details. Then here you have a small introduction that tells you what the journal is about. So the journal is filled with prompts and ideas to help you make your relationship better, stronger and more fulfilling, and bring more fun into your everyday life as a couple. The journal begins with a workbook area, and then there is a date planning section. And right before all of those, you have 100 ideas of the things that you can experience together. You can use these ideas when planning dates, and maybe you want to try something new. This is a great source of inspiration. So there is some fun things and some things that maybe are a bit more meaningful milestones for you as a couple. So there's ideas like take a glass-blowing class, attend an outdoor music festival, go ice skating, enjoy a couples massage, stuff like that. So if you ever run out of ideas, this is a great place to start. And then here you can add your own ideas. If you have any ideas of what you want to try together in the future, you can add them here and tick them off if you try one. And then you get to the workbook section. This one is here for you to learn more about each other and understand what each of you loves or doesn't enjoy. So you can spend better quality time together and plan dates both of you will actually love. So you begin with our story page where you can remember how you met and the things that you noticed about each other. And as you can see, the sections have enough space for both partners to answer, so you can either chat together and fill out the journal sitting together in conversation, or you can also fill out each answer separately and then each of you can look at the answer as the other person, whichever way you prefer. But I think this might actually be a great activity for the Valentine's Day. If you want to get to know each other, you can order the journal and then you can go through each page. There's not that many pages with questions, so it might take you an hour or a couple. And this way you can start a fun conversation, start planning some future dates that you can have. And here you move to the page that's focused on your relationship and the things you value the most in each other, the things you have in common, essential character traits and things like that. And here you move to your values, where you can understand each of your personal values, the things you value the most, relationship deal breakers, things you're thankful for. Then here you can discover your ways to communicate love, because each and every person has different ways to communicate love. So here you can learn more about each other in that way. And then this one, you have the prompts and questions about how each of you likes to spend time. So you can reflect on what your perfect day together would look like, your ideal way to spend a holiday, best way to spend the weekend, and similar things. And then here you have a page for your future plans. So here you can add all of the things and activities you want to do together or the places you want to visit. You can add them all here and also tick them off if you've completed one. And then finally you get to the date planning section. So here you have one page for the date plan, and then you have a second page for a reflection where you can add pictures and memories that you can look back on later. When you plan the date, you can begin with recording the idea for the date and why you want to do it. And then here you can add organized by, so you can either plan the date together or you can plan each of them as a surprise for a second person. And then you have the location for the date, time and date, budget, dress code. And here you have the action steps that you can take to make the date happen. This one is great if you're planning a more complicated date, and you can actually make a small action plan to make sure that you prepare everything that's needed. And here you have the things to remember. So stuff like any special clothes you might need, or things that you need to take with you, or things that you need to prepare in advance. Basically, this is the section where you can do it. And then there is some space for notes. On the reflection page, you have the section where you can reflect on how the date went, record your favorite moments, add the story and pictures here. Here you can add the things that you enjoyed the most, maybe some ideas for next time if you had some ideas while you were on the date. And here you can mark whether you want to do the same thing again, and then you can add the overall rating to see how the date went. And then this page is great because you can basically create a diary of your dates and look back on all the memories you made together as you go. And there's plenty of space to plan 100 dates, so I think this one would last you a while. And at the back, you also have some dotted pages for extra notes. So, for this journal, that's pretty much it. If you're still looking for an idea for a Valentine's Day gift, this might be it. If you have any more questions, do let me know and I'll answer the comments as soon as I can. We have a Valentine's promo on our website, so you can actually shop now with a discount. Check it out. We have the link to the website in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, please like it, subscribe to our channel and press the notification button to get a notification next time we post a new video. Thank you so much for watching and see you next time.